Ragazzi, tante, io ho detto no,
Che sei io taglio?
Friends here don't know you like I do, so they're very kind to give you one last chance. Step. About 30 seconds. I'm gonna dial Agent Schrader. Why? You gotta pass him on this time. We'll see what we see. Yell for help. Answer that clear message, otherwise take it off.
También me voy a apagar las luces cuando vaya a dormir.
sì, mio figlio.
Las luces estas del árbol.
Apaga tu aí pra mim, por favor, que eu vou deitar agora. Vou deitar agora, filhinho.
Okay, Lydia. If you ever needed to take performance collection, what's now?
Hi, Lydia Woodruff, calling for Agent Schrader. Not at all. Wait. Hold, please. Hank, Lydia wrote Dark Whale on line 1.
Hey, Trey.
This is coming off. It's just that I was in the warehouse supervising that ship of chemicals when I noticed a device. Yeah, I guess you call it. I'm certainly no expert, but it looks to me like some kind of a tracking device for this. Well, people put it there. Not that it's any of my business, but the last thing I want to do is interfere with a law enforcement operation or a sting or a cop. So, I don't know. Some guidance.
Well, I'll tell you what. Set that arrow aside for me if you would, and I'll look into it and get back to you. And in the meantime, phone the word, all right?
Yeah, all right. Sure.
Thanks for the call. Hey, Toby, come here, would you?
I know what you're thinking, but I didn't do it. I'm telling you, I didn't plant that thing.
Shut up. And there you have it, like I said. Schrader's probably thinking some crew man looking for a weak spot to pull ice. He's gonna send a team into that warehouse. I'll right out to watch it. Bugs, cameras, the whole night. This warehouse is too hot. Their supply is useless to us now. As Schrader takes it, I don't do it close to me. I say to the humans, just how much time? But right now, it's the best we can do. You two join me. You're asleep with a gun to their head. Sorry, Jesse. You don't want to walk up to the boat. It's 2 against 1.
Listo, estoy satisfecha.